fruit means matter can flow. So any matter can flow is considered as fruit. So what is the matter can flow? Gas.
Water.
And liquid. Nice gas, but in general terms, liquid. So that's in this chapter is involving three principles related with fluid mechanics. All these are very important principles because it has been helping us to improve the quality of life. One is called Pascal's principle. Pascal principle is related with pressure. And the second one is related with what we call the Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle. This one, and we like to add the third one. The third one is turned out to be the Bernoulli equation. Actually, is a principle. Equation. This one is related with pressure, velocity. So this one we related with aircraft. This one related with boat, B-O-A-T. This one related with automobile, especially related with the brake. So all this is basic principle. So suppose anybody who want to be a shipbuilder, he had to study this over and over again. Shipbuilder, they have to understand the Archimedes principle, how to build the buoyant force. And the people want to build basically, all these three principles is a very useful principle for our daily life. Now we will do the section 15.4 first, because the lab 15.4, in which case called Archimedes principle. Okay, the Archimedes principle is related to a emperor's desire or greedy desire. One of the emperor 287 BC, 287 and 212 BC. Basically, this greedy emperor, in old day, when the emperor occupied the land, they have a lot of land, a lot of cow, and a lot of gold, and then next come to it, a lot of women, lots of what we call in China, there's 3,000 women for one emperor. Can you imagine how can that guy last long? Before 40, the guy is waiting to die already, because surrounded with a woman like this, going to die. This great emperor is very greedy. He making the crown, use gold to making a crown. But can you imagine that if the blacksmith still a couple ounces gold? So what does it do to you? He has so much already, but he even so greedy, he care about that. Maybe this goldsmith or blacksmith steal the gold from him. Okay, because the cases like this, they are the emperor give a gold piece like this to make the crown. The crown is an irregular shape. Okay, so this is a very rectangular shape. It's very easy to measure the density and mass and so forth. But this is kind of difficult to measure density and everything. So they cannot judge from his point of view. Cannot judge if the goldsmith steal gold or not. So he passed along to this gentleman called Archimedes. He says, Archimedes, please devise a quality control device to make sure that from gold to the crown, the goldsmith didn't steal any gold at all. So for doing this, after for a while, Archimedes devised a standard how to measure this gold. As a matter of fact, in your diagram on page 473, they tell you all those nice stories about the things I just mentioned. So what he is thinking about the Archimedes principle is something like this. He devised a special gadget, in which cases they put a gadget in this one, have a spout on the can. This is basically is Archimedes' original idea. So he's saying that if some thing, a metal drop to here, the metal drop here. So by displacing the liquid, so that this liquid here, this displaces liquid. Okay, when the original is there full, and when the things drop here, it displaces, and then here's a can, and then catch this water. So this water is called volume being displaced. So you measure the volume, especially we are going to do this experiment. So that something about this is very unique. When this going to this is the weight we measure in air. When we measure this in air, this metal in air, then you got the weight in air. Then you put this measure in the water again, the WL. But the WL is smaller than the weight in air. So this guy, Archimedes, say this must have a buoyant force. This buoyant force turned out to be is equal to rho v displaced times g. And this we like to say this is called calculator. Today we are doing this experiment, and then we want to again is a group informal report. You can say this is experiment number 11. Tomorrow we do the sound experiment. It's experiment number 12. So this is FP calculator. the next thing we do is we like to measure this FB. FB measured by the force diagram is equal to what we call equal to W air minus WL. And the percentage error is equal to FB measure minus FB calculate divided by FB calculate times 100%.
It's WL, yeah. WL.
WL is a weight in the liquid. WL equal to weight in the liquid. So this F sub B equal to that is basically is called the Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle. Okay, so what is that? Is any object completely partially submerged in a fluid experiences an upward boiling force, whose magnitude is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. So we will do this experiment, and we will be using three different methods for doing this. And then each method we get two try. So